Hello, engineers working on new product research and design. During the early phase, 3D printing enables rapid materialization of design concepts. Look at here. The automotive prototype is manufactured using industrial-grade polymer resin through monolithic molding technology capable of faithfully reproducing complex geometries. With high precision, the surface can undergo comprehensive post-processing, including polishing, spraying, painting, and electroplating. Small components achieve a lead time as short as 4 hours, with 70% cost reduction compared to conventionally tooling methods. Got questions about 3D printing? Drop a comment below, like, and for more manufacturer insights.